DM Historics was really born from our customers. ETUP UK has some of the best and most loyal customers out there. Whenever they come down, we like to make them feel welcome, we like to make them feel like they're wanted, that they're part of the team. And when they're down here, one of the things they ask us the most is, why don't we do more than just E-types? And as part of that, we felt it was only right for us to expand and form DM Historics. Hi, I'm Marcus Holland, I'm Managing Director of ETUP UK and co-founder of DM Historics. ETUP UK is one of the leading E-type specialists. We've sourced and sold some of the most prestigious E-types in the market, not to mention having restored them as well, and we do general maintenance, service and upgrade work for all range of E-types. DM Historics is really growing on what we've done at ETUP UK. After all, we have a passion for classic cars. We like classic cars, we like more than just E-types, and we want to make sure that our customers have access to the best cars within the market, and that shouldn't just be restricted to E-types. And we feel that we can bring our knowledge and passion to other marques. DM Historics is specialised in the sourcing and selling of classic sports cars, but we want to be more than just your average classic car showroom. We really want to bring people together, make it a hub, make it a destination place for people to come, enjoy their classic cars, but also meet like-minded people. For me, a classic car almost becomes an extension of the owner. I mean, how many times have you heard someone being referred to as, you know, the guy that has the 300 SL, or you know the guy that has the GT40? And as such, when somebody comes to selling or buying the classic car, they have to feel comfortable with the person, with the company, with the environment in which they find themselves in. And for us, that's what we want to offer at DM Historics. We want to make sure that people feel comfortable. I mean, ultimately, it's like you're dealing with another family member.